Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampore. I welcome you all in this very, very important, very new initiative what we have taken for you guys regarding doing the most important problems across all subjects in the last 21 days. So please do join, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments as well about your joining. And after you join, guys, never ever forget to share the session. Never ever forget to share the session as well. Even I'm going to share it, guys. I'm going to share it. So please do join fast. Do join fast. A very good evening to all. Very good evening to all, guys. Please let me know by your comments about your joining, guys. We are going to begin a very important session over the practice questions of a CGL. Good evening, Jaya Raju. I hope you are absolutely great and you all others are also absolutely great. Okay, and here it is, our series of 5,000 most expected questions. Very good evening all dear, very good evening. Shrivani, Gopinath, Jaya Raju. Let's begin. Today is a mixed session. Today is a mixed session, guys. Questions of all topics will come today. Some days I will take topic related sessions as well. Yes, begin. Good evening, Harika. Please do the sharings. Please do the sharings as well. I hope these numbers are visible to you. Otherwise, you can zoom in to see it properly. Total number of cars sold by dealer B in January, April, June. January, April, June. Dealer B. Dealer B. January, April, June. Dealer B. January, April, June. 600. And this is also, I think, 1200. 1200 plus 600 is 1800. Number of cars by dealer A in A and D in March. A and D in March. 1300, 1350. Simplify, guys. Simplify. Four ratio 3. 4 ratio 3. Do watch out. Do watch out, guys. 4 ratio 3. What you have to do, guys, you have to just clearly mark the data. Just clearly mark the data and give the answer. Clearly mark the data and give the answer. Let's move on. To do a certain work, A and B work on alternate days. B beginning the work. On the first day, A alone can complete the work in 24 days. If the work get completed in 11 and a half days, B alone can complete 7 by half of the work in how many days? B begins the work. B begins the work. On the first day, B is there. On the second day, A is there. On the first day, B. Third day, B is there. Then A is there. Then B is there. Then A is there. The total work is getting completed in 11 days. The total work is getting completed in 11 and a half days. Can I say we work for 6 days? Can I say we work for 6 days? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 and half of A. Matlab, it is not necessary to write like this, but you can understand B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So B work for complete 6 days and A work for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5 days. Is this concept clear? Is this concept clear? That B work for 6 days and A work for 5.5 days. Hello Stalin, good evening. Okay, we have A alone can complete the work in 24 days. A alone can complete the work in 24 days. So you can complete the work by A alone in 24 days. And in this manner, if you do it, then B will take 6 days and A will take 5.5, that is 11 by 2 days. If you do in this manner, guys, then B will work for 6 days and A will work for 5.5 days. Your work can be completed in this manner as well. Your work can be completed in this manner as well. Take this over here. 24A minus 11 by 2A is equal to 6B. 48 minus 11 by 2A is equal to 6B. 37A is equal to 12B. So A over B efficiency 12:37. A over B efficiency 12:37. B alone can do 7 by 9 of the original work in how many days? Your original work is A into 24. So 7 by 9 of A into 24. You want it to be done by B. How much time it will take? How much time it will take? How much time it will take? Guys, every calculation is perfect. Every calculation is perfect. Let's hope. 7 by 9 into 24 into A by B. And A by B is 12 by 37. 3 3 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 8 ja. 8 7 ja 56 into 4 by 37. What is the issue? B begin the work. B begin the work on the first day, A on the second day, B on the first day. Okay. 11.5 days. So B work for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11.5. B work for 6 days and A work for 5.5 days. B work for 6 days, A work for 5.5 days. So this work can be done by when B work for 6 days and A for 5.5, 11 by 2. Take this value over here. 24A minus 11 by 2. 48 minus 11, 37 by 2 is equal to 6B. A by B, 12 by 37. Absolutely correct, guys. Absolutely correct. Okay. So there might be some issues with the option. The way is absolutely correct. The way was absolutely correct. Good evening, Stalin. Well done, Abhijit. Very well done. A is thrice as efficient as B. A is thrice as efficient as B. So A and B efficiency 3:1. A takes 24 days less. A take 24 days less. So time taken would be in the inverse ratio 1:3. Time taken by A is 2 less. 2 is given as 24. So 1 is equal to 12. So time taken by A is 12 and time taken by B is 36. If 1 is 12, 3 is 36. Time taken by A is 12, time taken by B is 36. If they work together, okay, what is my work which can be done by A in 12 days? Which can be done by A in 12 days. Now I want this work to be done by together, A plus B. I want this work to be done by A plus B together. So what is the efficiency of A? 3 into 12. What is the efficiency of A plus B? 4. So 4. 9 days is required. 9 days is required. Everyone is correct. Everyone is correct. 3:1, 1:3. 2 more time. 2 more time is 24. 1 is 12. If 1 is 12, then time taken by A is 12 and time taken by B is 36. Just do it. Then what do you know? What else comes in CGL, huh? What else comes in CGL? Sign, then what else comes? I'm making the sessions from the their shifts only, na? I'm making the session from shifts only, na? More than sign, more than each and every question, whatever you are desiring will come in the sessions. Each and every question, whatever you desiring, it will come in the sessions for sure. Okay. Yes, yes. When the work is same, then time is inverse of efficiency. No, Sai Teja, we will cover up. We will cover up. You just don't worry about it. We will definitely cover up. P, X and Y are the 2 points in a river. P and Q divide the straight line into 3 equal parts. P and Q divide the straight line into 3 equal parts. No issue, Sarathi. Just join the session. Just join the session. P and Q divide the straight line into 2 equal parts. Now all these parts are equal. All these parts are equal. The river flows along the XY. Okay, this is the direction of the flow of river. Time taken by boat to row from X to Q. X to Q and from Y to Y to क्या करें फिर Y to X ले लेते हैं. y2x. No issues. Let's try, guys. Let's try. Just do it from this. Just do it from this. The time taken by the board from x to q is 4. So these parts are 1 and 1. Keep it p, guys. Take the distance equal. Let's see what happens. Okay. And from y to p is also a distance of 2. From y to p is also a distance of 2. From y to p also a distance of 2. From x to q also a distance of 2. Here the flow is downstream. Here the flow is downstream. And here the flow is upstream. And here the flow is upstream. In 2 kilometer downstream, time taken is 4. And in 2 kilometer upstream, time taken is 5. Same distance. So speed of downstream and upstream would be in the inverse ratio 5:4. Speed of downstream and upstream would be in the inverse ratio 5:4. Speed of both downstream and that of river current. Okay, what is the speed of water? Speed of water is d minus u divided by 2. Speed of water is d minus u divided by 2. So downstream is 5 speed, upstream is 4 speed, and water is d minus u divided by 2. You can say 1/2. So downstream and water is 10:1. So from this, if we assume it as P, then this answer will come. If we assume it as P, then this answer will come. Clear? However, it would be something else. Should we try it by X? Should we try it by X? Should we try it by X or Q? Okay, should we try it by Q? Should we try it by Q? Y to Q. So in two distance, downstream time taken was 4 and y to q is a 1 distance, time is 5. Time is 5. So in 2 distance it would be 10. In 2 distance it would be 10. If in 1 distance it is 5, then in 2 distance it would be 10. Okay? So speed of downstream and upstream would be in the inverse ratio 10:4. So downstream is 10, upstream is 4. So water is d minus u divided by 2. Water is d minus u divided by 2, which is 6/2, 3. Matched. So this is we can form. We can form the question, guys. I formed the question as well. You got this logic? You got this logic? If in 1 distance it is taking 5 time, then in 2 distance it will take 10 time. Then in 2 distance it will take 10 time. Why 2 distance? Why 2 distance? Because here also we have taken 2 distance. So This is also we need to maintain a 2 distance to keep the distance same. Only if the distance is same, then we can apply the ratio. Then we can apply the ratio. Clear? Clear? Perfect. No, that was also a tier 1. That was also a tier 1. Sign, that was also a tier 1. Quickly share the session as well, guys. Quickly share the session as well. Quickly share it as well, guys. Now we are uh, forming the form. Yeah, now we are making the form. Compounding is done 5 monthly. Compounding is done 5 monthly. Find out rate 5 monthly as well. For 12-month rate is 15%. So for 5 month it would be 5 by 12 of 15%. 5 by 12 of 15%. 3 4 ja 3 5 ja 25 by 4%. Rate is 25 by 4%. Rate is 25 by 4%. What is the time? 1 by 4 is 12 plus 12 by 4, 15 months. Yeah. 15 months. So 15 months, compounding 5 monthly, n is 3. That is what you got. That is what you got. Convert the rate into fraction. 25 by 4 into 100. 1 by 16. Convert the rate into fraction. 1 by 16. So 16 will become 17 in one time. So in 3 times 16 ka cube will become 17 ka cube. 16 ka cube will become 17 ka cube. Okay. Here you should be knowing what is the value of 16 cube and 17 cube. You should be knowing what is the value of 16 cube and 17 cube. So it is 256 into 16 and this is 343 into 17. Just compare with the value. 8192. 8192. Simplify, guys, and find out the multiplication factor. Simplify and find out the multiplication factor. Simplify and find out the multiplication factor. 16 5 ja 80. 19, 16 1 ja 16. 32 512. 2 is the multiplication factor, my dear. 2 is the multiplication factor. What is the multiplication factor? 2 is the multiplication factor. So you can find out the value of this as well. 343 into 2 is 686 into 17. Just multiply this value. It is going to be your amount. It is going to be your amount. Two, 6, 16, 1, 11. Find out what is the interest. Find out what is the interest, guys. Is it large? Is it large? Is it large? Okay, this is your amount. This is given as 8192. Multiplication of 2. 3000 कुछ होगा ना? It would be 3000 something. Na? It would be 3000 something. So today, some mistakes by the typist. Guys, some mistakes by the typist. Okay. So this is your amount and find out the interest accordingly. Find out the interest accordingly. Find out the interest accordingly. Answer. Yes, Gopinath. Yes, that was there. That was there. That is what we have find out. That is what we have find out as well. A 20-meter long, 21 long meter drawn is cord is drawn in a circle of diameter 25. 21-meter long cord. The perpendicular distance of the cord from the center. So this is divide the cord into two equal parts, 21 by 2, 21 by 2. Divide the cord into two equal parts, 21 by 2, 21 by 2. Divide the cord into two equal parts, 21 by 2, 21 by 2. So this perpendicular distance is under root of 25 का square minus 21 by 2 का whole square. A minus B, A plus B. A minus B, A plus B. I personally hope there should not be anything here. It's 50 minus 21. 50 minus 21 is 29 by 2. And this is 50. Well, it simplify. Fifty minus 21 is 29 divided by 2, and this is 50 plus 21. Okay. This is 4 by 2 and this is 49 by 2. 4 by 2 and 49 by 2. 4 will come outside as 2. This 4 will come outside as 2. And this will come outside as 7. A minus B, A plus B. It is 46. Root 46 is the answer. Root 46 is the answer. Next. Ratio of number of male teachers to the number of female teachers in the city. Ratio of number of. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, Harika. Yeah, we will correct that. We will correct that. Yeah, we will correct that. Male teachers to female teachers in the city. Male teachers to female teachers in the city. So just add all these values. Just add all these values and add all these values and take out their ratio. I think it's pretty doable. You can just do it. Yeah, it's pretty doable. You can just do it. Yeah. So if I go back, there, it was 289 into 17, and here it was 256 into 16. This was given as 8192 multiplication of 2. So it will also become multiplication of 2. So 289 into 34. 289 into 34. So we have to find out the value of 289 into 34, and from there we can find out the interest. And from there we can find out the answer. Yeah. And you can find out the answer as D. You can find out the answer as D. Okay. 289 into 17. 289 into 17. Next, move on. When x is subtracted from each, the numbers are in the proportion. 19 minus x, 28 minus x, 55 minus x, and 91 minus x are in the proportion. Keep the numerator as it is. Apply the dividendo. Apply the dividendo. 28 minus 19 is 9. Keep the numerator as it is. Apply the dividendo. So, if it is 55, this is 90. Then I think 35 will come. So, 1 extra, 36. Keep the numerator as it is. Apply the dividendo. Keep the numerator as it is. Apply the dividendo. 9 4 ja 36. 19 minus x upon 1 is equal to 55 minus x by 4. 19 4 ja. 19 4 ja. 76 minus 4x is equal to 55 minus x. 21 is equal to 3x. X is 7. See. Apply the dividendo. What is dividendo? Denominator minus numerator. What is dividendo? Denominator minus numerator. 28 minus x minus 19 minus x. 91x minus 55 minus 55 minus x. 91 minus x minus 55 minus x. Apply the dividendo and get out the answer as quick as possible. And get out the answer as quick as possible. Let's move on. $5,000 in all 4 subjects. 5,000 questions Saint Teja in all 4 subjects. 1,500 from mine. 1500 from mine. Twenty-one 21% profit after selling at 21% discount. CP over MP. 100 minus discount percent, 100 plus profit percent. Discount is 21. 100 minus 21. Upon profit is 21. 100 plus 21. It is 79 upon 121. So CP over MP. CP over MP is this. But the problem is they are not asking CP over MP. They are asking CP over SP. They are asking CP over SP. So this discount is not required. If they will ask the CP ratio SP, discount is even not. If they ask the CP ratio SP, even discount is not required. You will say, sir, 21 profit percent can only give the answer. 21 profit percentage can only give the answer. If CP is 100, after a profit of 21%, SP will become 121. Answer. It was a trap. It was a trap. This is the ratio of CP over MP. But they are asking CP ratio SP, which can only be find out from here. Which can only be find out from here. They are asking CP ratio SP, only profit percentage is sufficient to answer. Only profit percentage is sufficient to answer CP ratio SP. Profit of 21% means CP, if CP is 100, then SP is 121. As simple as this. Next. Still, guys, form is I'm looking for still the form. The form will come soon. One or two question answer was like not. Yeah, you can always assume CP as 100. Yeah, you can always assume CP as 100 because they are asking CP ratio SP. Yeah. A plus B minus C. If you can take X as 1. If you can take X as 1, A will come. If you take B as 1, B will come. But if you take both of them as plus X, if you take both of them as plus X, plus C will come. So I have to take 1 as minus 1. I have to take 1 as minus 1, so I am assuming Y as minus 1. On putting X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 1, on the right hand side, it will become A plus B minus C. Put Y is minus 1, so minus 5 minus 1. And put X as 1, Y as minus 1 over here. And X as 1 and Y as minus 1 over here as well. This is 0 minus 27 into minus 27 into 2 ka cube. Minus 27 into 2 ka cube is equal to minus 6 over A plus B minus C. Minus 27 into 8 is minus 6 A plus B minus C. Minus minus will cancel out. 3 2 ja, 3 9 ja, 2 4 ja, 36. Greatest possible method. The greatest possible thing what we can do. The best thing, guys, what we can do. It's a normal observation. It's a normal observation, guys. It's a normal observation. Just by looking at what is being asked. Just by looking at what is being asked. So, A plus B minus C is being asked. If A plus B plus C would be asked, we would have thought about putting X and Y both as 1. We would have thought about putting X and Y both as 1. But since they have asked about A plus B minus C, so it become compulsory to take one of the value as negative. So I take Y as minus 1. So I take Y as minus 1 to maintain one value as negative. What is this? Do guys at least do some questions of bar as well. Yeah. At least. Thank you very much, Jaya. At least do some questions of bar as well. $3,100, 41, 45, 55, 59, 59 plus 69, 71, 72. 7,200 is the total production. 7,200 is the total production. You are interested in 90% of it. Yeah. You are interested in sale is more than 90% of the production. Okay. They are asking in every year. They are asking in every year. So 90% of this. What is 90%, guys? 10% 125. So 90% 9 into 125. So 9 5 is 45. 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4 is 22. 2, 11. 1125. Okay. Just subtract 125. Na? Just subtract 125. Just subtract 125. So 1125. Sale is more. No, it's not more. Just subtract 140 from it. So it will become 1260. Sale is more. Just subtract 145 out of it. Assume it 1300. It will remain 1300. No. Just subtract 150 out of it. 1350. Yes. Just subtract 160 out of it. 1440. No. 2 years. 16 and 18. See out here. See out. See out, guys. See out. What I just do? Subtract 10%, guys. Subtract 10%. 10% is 125. Subtract 125. So it is 1125. Less. More. It is near about 1300. Less. More. Less. Only 2 years. Only 2 years. Answer. Perfect. Perfect. Next. X की power 5 plus 1 upon x की power 5. Quickly like and share the session as well, guys. Quickly like and share the session as well. If you have done the sharings, you can do the liking if you are liking it. If you have not done the sharings, you can first do the sharings. Liking can be done later on as well. Liking can be done later on as well. X की power 5 plus 1 upon x की power 5 is x cube plus 1 upon x cube, x square plus 1 upon x square minus x plus 1 upon x. If this is 4, it is 4 cube minus 3 times of 4. This is 4 ka square minus 2 and this is 4. 64 minus 12, 52. 16 minus 2, 14 minus 4. 52 into 14 minus 4. 52 into 10, 520. 52 into 4, 208 minus 4. 520 plus 204 is 724. X की power 5 plus 1 upon x की power 5 is x cube plus 1 upon x cube, x square plus 1 upon x square minus x plus 1 upon x. A cube plus 1 upon a cube is a cube minus 3a. This is a square minus 2. Obviously, this is acting as a. So, a cube minus 3a. This is a square minus 2 minus a. Let's move on. I find out the error again. Thank God. This is the problem with when you give for the typing. This is the problem when you give for typing. Area 64, ratio 81, side under root 64 under root 81, 8 ratio 9. Side 8 ratio 9. And median is also like us in the ratio of side. Median also maintain the ratio of 8 ratio 9 in triangle ABC and PQR. In triangle ABC and PQR, medians will also maintain the ratio of 8 ratio 9. The median of triangle PQR is given as 10.8. So 9 is given as 10.8. 1.2 times. So median of triangle ABC, the median of triangle ABC 8 is going to be 8 into 1.2, 9.6. 6. Perfect. Perfect. Next. Average of 28 numbers 77. Average of 28 numbers 77. Average of 14 numbers 74. Average of last 15 numbers 84. Deviation of -3. Deviation of +7. Deviation of -3. Deviation of +7. Over 14 numbers, over 15 numbers. 14 into 3 is -42. And 15 into 7 is +105. So total deviation till now is 5 minus 2, 3, 63. Total deviation till now is 63. Total deviation till now is 63. What does it say? It say the number which is not here at now. The number or the number which is repeated here as of now. Because total they were 28 and now they are becoming 29. So one number is repeated and that repeated number is 14th only. 14th is repeated. So this repeated number is 63 more than the average. It says that the repeated number is 63 more than the average. The repeated number is 63 more than the average. So when you exclude it, it will create a loss because it is more than the average. Na? So when you exclude it, it will create a loss. It is 63 extra. Na? So when it will go, if it was at average, going off him will not impact. If it was an average, going off him will not impact. Like all of you are 17, 17, 17. If 117 will go, still all of you are average of 17. But if one of them is 23 and with the help of him, you are maintaining an average of 18. Yeah? You are maintaining average of 18. If he will go, then your average will decrease. Na? Okay, I will, Sarati, I will explain it, okay? So when he will go, there is a loss of 63. There is a loss of 63 on his exclusion and it has to be bared by 27%. It has to be bared by 27%. So approximately 2 point, what? 54, 90, 2.3 loss per head. 2.3 loss per head. 2.3 loss per head. So new average is 77 minus 2.3. 3 मान लेता हूं 74.7. The greatest of the day. The form is coming, however, still one or two typo errors is creating a problem. Decrease of 3. Decrease of 3 over 14 numbers. And 7 more. 7 more over 15 numbers. 14 3 ja. 14 3 ja minus 42. 15 7 ja 105. Overall, 14th number is 63 more still. Still 63 more. So when you exclude it, there is a loss of 63. There is a loss of 63 over 27 members because one will go, na? So approximately 2.3 loss. Approximately 2.3 loss. This. Sai Teja. Now it is fine. Watch out once. Watch it once more. If it's still required, I will do it once more. No issues. Clear? Sarathi, Sai, Harish, and everyone else. Next. Sai Teja, we are just going to rock. Yeah, we are just going to rock. 40, 40, 40, 35, whatever. Depending upon the... No, initially, Stalin, there were 28 numbers. You are excluding one number. So now 27 will remain. Got it. Two chords ABCD. Two chords AB and CD intersect at point P. AB total is 7. PC is 2. Inside. Okay. PC is 2. AP is 4. AB total is 7. So this is 3. Product of these two, 12 should be equal to these two, 6. What is CD? CD is equal to 6 plus 2, 8. CD is equal to 6 plus 2, 8. Product of these two is 12. So product of these two should also be 12. So this comes out to be 6. CD comes out to be 8. Next. Fifteen article for 140. Equal number. 10 for 120. Make it 15 na? To maintain equal number. Multiply by 1.5. Multiply by 1.5 here as well. I think it will become 180. So second 15 articles is for 180. Second 15 articles is for 180. So total CP 320. Total CP 320. 132 per dozen. Per dozen means 12. So 12 for 132. So 1 for 11. 1 for 11 rupees. However, you have bought 30. So 30 for 30 into 11, 330. So SP of 30 is 330. So there is a profit of 10 over 320. So there is a profit of 10 over 320 into 100. 3 times 96. 3 times 96, 4 by 32, 1 by 8. Watch out. Watch out, my dear. Any issues you can ask me? Any issues you can ask me? So guys, form is coming or not? Huh? Form aa raha hai? What do you say? Chalo. 15 articles you bought. 15 articles you bought, so you have to sell 15 articles as well. 1 dozen for 132. 1 dozen means 12 articles. 12 articles for 132, so 1 article for 11. If 1 article for 11, then 30 articles for 30 into 11, 330. So total CP 320, total SP 330. Profit of 10 over 320. 1 by 8% is the profit. Even a good one. Not a bad one. Next. Famous one. Famous one. Sites AB and DC. Sites Sides AB and DC of a cyclic quadrilateral are produced to meet at E. Maintain the order, my dear. Maintain the order of a cyclic quadrilateral. Maintain the order of a cyclic quadrilateral like A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Side AB and side DC are produced to meet at a point E. And AD and BC. AD and BC are produced to meet at point F. Angle ADC is given as 78. Angle BEC is given as 52. What is AFB? Assume it theta. Assume it theta. Assume it theta. It is a cyclic quadrilateral as well. It is a cyclic quadrilateral as well. However, what I'm going to do, you know it. What I'm going to do, you know it. I'm directly going to use this triangle. I'm directly going to use this triangle. 78 plus 2, 80. 80 plus 5, 130. After 130, 50 is remaining. You know, guys, I directly use this triangle, bigger triangle. I directly use this bigger triangle. 78, 52, remaining is 50. Now, this is known, this is desired. Use the cyclic property as well. In a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite 180, so 102. In a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite is 180, so 102. Now, what I will do, you know the wonders. I will use the complete triangle. 50, 102, 152. After 152, 28 is, I think, remaining to make it 180. To make it 180. To make it 180. So, guys, all backlogs clear now. All previous discussions is being done. Any question, any dubious question left till now? Any doubtful question, guys, left till now? Time and work, I will see it once again after coming in form. I'm in form as of now. However, I remember it. It was miss options only. It was a miss options only. However, if you want, sir, uh, in the form, once again check it. Okay, because at that point of time, it was not in the form. Chalo, next. But some of the students are there. If there would be any possibility, they would have let us know. They would have definitely would be able to find it out. X plus y upon xy. X plus y is given as 4. (15 by 4). X by is 15 by 4. Xy is 15 by 4. What is the value of x cube plus y cube? X cube plus y cube is x plus y का whole square minus 3 times of xy. 4 का square 16 minus 3 times of 15 by 4. It will get short out, na? Okay, let's try it. 4. 64 minus 45 divided by 4. Yeah, it will get short out. If this would be 65, answer would be 20. 64, answer is 19. Answer is 19. X cube plus y cube is x plus y. X cube plus y cube is x plus y. X plus y ka whole square minus 3xy. We have find out the value of xy from here and we will use it over here to get to the answer. Next. We will do 25 only today. We will do 25 only today and discuss whatever is there, which is a dicey situation. I think there was no dicey question na, after this. At this point of time, there is no dicey because one question we have already made it correct. Some data was missing in that. What do you say? The river. Yeah, river. We have corrected that. A data was missing over there. Take cosec theta common. 1 upon cosec theta minus 1 upon 1 upon cosec theta plus 1. Cosec theta. Cosec plus 1, cosec minus 1 is 2 cosec. In the denominator, cosec square theta minus 1. In the denominator, cosec square theta minus 1. Minus tan square theta. Minus tan square theta. Guys, what is cosec square theta minus 1? Cot square theta? What is cosec square theta minus 1? Cot square theta. So it will become 2 cosec square theta over cot square theta minus tan square theta. Minus tan square theta. 1 upon cot square theta is tan square theta only. So 2 tan square theta cosec square theta minus tan square theta. Take 2 tan square theta common. It is cosec square theta minus 1. No, you cannot take 2 common. Take tan square theta common. So it is 2 cosec square theta minus 1. Do we need to change it into sin and cos? Do we need to change it into sin and cos, my dear? Okay. I have some other plans. 1 cosec square theta minus 1, I am taking it differently. And 1 cosec square theta, guys, I am taking it differently. 1 cosec square theta minus 1, I am taking it differently. And another cosec square theta minus 1, I am taking it differently. This cosec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. Cot square theta. So tan square theta into cot square theta plus cosec square theta. It's over and out. This is product 1 and this is sin square theta by cos square theta into cosec is 1 upon sin. 1 upon cos square theta sec square theta. Over and out, my dear. Want, guys, we can initially convert into cosec and sine at this step only. At this step only, then we might have solved it 1 or 2 step earlier. We might have solved it 1 or 2 step earlier. At what step? Let me tell you. You should have done the things at here only. You should have done the things at here only. Sin square theta. This is cos square theta over sin square theta. Minus sin square theta over cos square theta. So 2 sec square theta minus tan square. Oh, keep it tan square only. So it will become sec square theta plus sec square theta minus tan square theta. That's such an amazing thing what we have done. Such an amazing thing what we have done. Just break it into 2 parts, sec square theta plus sec square theta, and sec square theta minus tan square theta is a identity. And sec square theta minus tan square theta is a identity. So sec square theta plus 1 is the answer. Sec square theta plus tan theta is the answer. Cool. Cool. Cool, guys. Let's move on. Start interacting, guys. From next day onwards, I will try to take minimum 40 questions. Yeah, I will try to take minimum 40 questions. Then only we can reach to the target of like somewhat around 1200 to 1500. 13. 13. One of the diagonal 24. So 12 each. Another is 5 each. Right angle triangle. Area of the triangle, area of the rectangle, half d1 d2. One diagonal 24, another diagonal 10. One diagonal 24, another diagonal 10. D is the answer. Quite a big number. quite a big number. Let's see. Let's pray it would be correct. Let's pray it would be correct. Income of A 45% more than B. Assume B as 100. A 145. C 60% less than the sum. What is the sum? 145. 60% less. Can I say 40% of the sum then? If anything is 60% less, if anything is 60% less, it is 40% of that. If anything is 60% less, it is 40% of that. 245. Okay. %, 24.5. 20% is 49. So 40% is 49 into 2, 98. 40% is 98. And D is 20% more than this. 20% is 19.6 more. At 20, 118. So 117.6. A, B, C, D. Difference between B and D. Difference between B and D, 17.6, is given as 313,200. Dear. 313,200. Okay. One more decimal. What do you say, guys? Will it simplify? Will it simplify? Is any table is coming? There can be an error, guys. There can be an error. Leave it, guys. Leave it. Doubtful. 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 Just understand the concept. Just understand the concept. Understand the concept. It can be 332. It can be 332. Because 176 into 2 is 332. I think so. No. 352. It can be 352. It can be 352. One is equal to 200. 1 is equal to 200. So the income of C is 98. Okay, just take the interest in the concept and leave the remaining part. Just take the interest in the concept only, leave the remaining part, guys. Leave the remaining part. Leave the remaining part. 3132. 3132. Okay. 25, 65 complementary cancel out each other. 35, 55 complementary cancel out each other. Cot 45 is the answer. Cot 45 is 1. Cot 45 is the answer. Cot 45 is 1. I will decide, Jaya. What do you want? What do you want, Jaya? I will decide it today. Three into 7 into 11 is 231. 3 into 7 into 11 is 231. 231. 231 into 2 is 462. 462. After 462, what is the remainder remaining? 2, 1, and 4. So 214xy. 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 Okay. 214xy. Obviously, if I take it 9 times, I will be near about something. I would be near about something. Or I can assume it double zero from here. Like, let the numbers are 0 each. You will find out the remainder by then. You will find out the remainder, guys, on dividing by 231. 9 times 9. 9 3 ja 27. 9 3 ja 27. 2. 18 plus 2, 20. 2079. So 80, 20, and 140. 20 and 40, 60. So you can say 610. 610. 610. By doing it two times, it is becoming 462. By doing it three times, it will become 690, 693. So can I say I have to add 83? Can I say I have to add 83? So x and y are 8 and 3. X and y are 8 and 3. So 3 into 8 minus 5 into 3. 24 minus 15. 9 is the answer. Only one of the way. Let just stick, guys. I will take other ways as well. Another way is has to be a multiple of 77. 77. How much times, guys, near about this? Try 77 into 8. 616. 616. After that, 60 is remaining. 60xy. 60xy. Now, I think from here onwards, to observe a multiple of 77 would be a little bit more demanding. So this was, I think, the best. This was, I think, the best. Okay. From here onwards, demanding the multiple of 77 is little bit more demanding. So I'm just repeating it. I'm just repeating it once more. 3 into 7 into 11 is 231. 3 into 7 into 11 is 231. So 676 xy divided by 231. 2 times is 6. 462. Now you have two ways, guys. Either assume it 00 or assume it 99. Either assume it 00 or assume it 99. So we will go for 00. We will go for 00. And read the table again, maybe 8 times or 9 times, whatever it is near. If you read it 9 times, it is 9. 9 3 ja 27. 9 3 ja 27. 9 2 ja 18 plus. Oh, what I'm doing here? What I'm doing? Just a minute. 9 3 ja 27. 2. 2079. So 1. 1. This is 361. 610. So next multiple over this is into 3, which is giving us 692. So you have to add 82 to reach to the next multiple. You have to add 82 to reach to the next multiple. You have to add 82 to reach to the next multiple. You have assumed them 00, but it should be 82. That is the benefit of 00. That is the benefit of 00. You assumed it 00, but you have to add 82, so it is 82. Now it's over. 3x minus 5y. It is 83 or what? Yeah. It was something else, yeah? 83. 83. 83. Now clear, guys? Perfect. Now clear? Perfect. So just revise this session. Let's revise this session. We will again continue, guys, from here onwards, including every type of question, guys. Nothing is going to go outside our nothing is going to go outside our sessions. Nothing can go outside our sessions. Nothing can go outside our sessions. All questions clear? All questions. Yeah, it was a tricky day. It was a tricky day. It was a tricky day, guys. We have done a tricky shift. Okay? It was a tricky day. This we have not done, na? Pradeep and Sonak can do a work in 12 days. Pradeep and Sonak can do a work in 12 days. Pradeep work with thrice the efficiency, 3p. If Pradeep work with thrice the efficiency, 3p, and Sonak work with 1 by 4 of the efficiency, and Sonak work with 1 by 4 of the efficiency, they can finish the work in 16 days. They can finish the work in 16 days. 4 3 ja, 4 4 ja. 3p plus 3s is equal to 12p plus 4 into 1 by 4s. 3p plus 3s is equal to 12p plus s. So 2s is equal to 9p. Sonic Pradeep efficiency 9:2. Sonic Pradeep efficiency 9:2. Sonic Pradeep efficiency 9:2. How many days Pradeep alone can do it? So if Pradeep and Sonic can complete together do it in 12 days, how many days Pradeep alone can do it? Pradeep plus Sonic is 11 into 12. Pradeep alone is 2. 66 days. 66 days. Guys, even a single question where something was there which can hinder your revision. Here everything was correct. Only things were changing from 16 cube to 17 cube. Things were changing from 16 cube to 17 cube. So 256 into 16 to 289 into 17. Nothing can come as a hindrance in the revision. This is compared as 8192. 16 5 ja 80. 19 16 1 ja 512. 2 times. So this amount is also 2 times. This is 289 into 34. Just find out the amount. Just find out the amount having the unit digit of 6 and principal is having a unit digit of 2. So interest, the difference is going to have a unit digit of 4. Some form is coming now. Okay. Okay. What happened? Rishabh Hunter, what happened? What happened, Rishabh? This is perfect now. Sainteja, I will decide what you want. You want mix? I will keep it mix, no worries. Like I have not seen what is this number is becoming. What this number is becoming. I only take it that the unit digit is 6 and the unit digit of the principal is 2. So amount minus principal is the interest. Unit digit of the interest is 4. What happened, Ahiran Rishabh Hunter? Tell me. Huh? Topic, okay, topic wise ले लेंगे, then we will take it topic wise, no issues. Some days topic wise, some days mix. This was made clear. Y2Q. Y2Q. Need to discuss it? No, na. Three equal parts. X, Y, PQ. X, Y, PQ. X2Q time taken. X2Q is a downstream and Y2Q is a upstream. Y2Q is a upstream. Time taken in X2Q and Y2Q is in the ratio 4:5. Here the time taken is 4. Distance is 2. In 2 distance 4 time. In 2 distance 4 time. Y2Q is a distance of 1. Y2 cube is a distance of 1. So in downstream time taken is 4. In upstream only in one distance. Only in one distance time is 5. So in 2 distance time would be 10. To maintain the equal distance. To maintain the equal distance. To maintain the equal distance in upstream time would be 10. So speeds 10:4 downstream upstream. What is the speed of water? Water is d plus u divided by 2. D minus u divided by 2. So 10, 4, 3. So downstream and water is 10:3. This also cleared. कुछ बचा है अब? Something is left? That one. However, the chances are there. Our was correct. However, I can check it once more. No issues. I can check it, guys. I can check it. Provided you also try it. However, I believe that we have taken it correctly in that manner. A and B work on the alternate days. B beginning the work on the first day. On the first day, B is doing BA, 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 BA. So BA, 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 BA is the order. Taking 11 and a half days. Taking 11 and a half days. So 6 days are for B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 days and half day. 6 days are B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So B is working for 6 days and A is working for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half days. 100% correct निकलेगा guys ours. Acha, 100 chances are there. Then it's a good thing that we are doing. Yeah, it's a good thing what we are doing. B will work for 6 days and A will work for 5.5 days. A will work for 5.5 days. A alone can complete the work in 24 days. A alone can complete the work in 24 days. And in this manner as well, the work can be done in 11.5 days. Yeah. In this manner as well, the work can be done in 11.5 days. B working for 6 days and A working for 11/2 days. A alone can complete the work in 24 days, and when they work in this manner, they can also do it in 11.5 days. So 24A is a 6B plus 11/2A. 24 minus 11/2A is equal to 6B. 48 minus 11. 48 minus 11/2A is 6B. 37 is equal to 12B. A by B is Ahran, why? How can you or how are you getting? How you are getting? We will see it. We will see it. It can come now, guys. It can come, maybe. In how much days B alone can do the work? in how much days B alone can do the 7 by 9 of the work? So 7 by 9 of the total work. Total work is A into 24. Total work is A into 24. You want this work to be done by B. नहीं आएगा ना? What do you say? Others. Ahiran. Ahiran. Seven by 9 into 24 A by B. And A by B is 12 by 37. No. No. No, guys. I don't agree. Aaron, any opinion? Anything you want to share? What you have done? Because I don't think so that we have done anything non-conceptual. We have not done anything non-conceptual. Otherwise, Harika would have identified till now. This is the game changer, na? Might be with A, answer is coming. Might be with A, answer might be coming. If you begin with A, answer might come. But with beginning from the B, it is not coming. Okay? I think it's absolutely justified. What do you say? What do you say? Yeah. I'm convinced as of now. I'm convinced as of now. And let's see. I will do the QC of it as well later on. I will do the QC of it as well. However, as of now, live, I'm convinced. Later on, I will do the QC as well. So that was all. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you. If you have not downloaded the app as of now, guys, please do download it. It's a very amazing app, like offering lot of things. Stalin, I don't think so. It was damn clear. We have taken. You are saying we can give the answer for A. But why would they ask for A? Because it is already given that A can do the complete work in 24 days. A can alone do the work in 24 days. So why would they ask for A? Okay. So fine. Okay, I will do the QC as well over that. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you soon in the next session. More exciting sessions for sure. Less typo errors as well. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great time.